all, I'm going to show you how to get to the interactive class report and how to use it in this video. So once you've logged into NWEA Map, there's a lot of reports that you can see. We're just going to go over here to Map Growth Reports. In the second one, you'll see the class profile, and this is completely interactive, and it's a really easy way to see which of your students have tested and which haven't. So you go ahead and click it. So and then my profile shows up, and I don't give a map test for any of my students, but most of my students should have taken a map test. So for example, if I click Science, Life Sciences, I can see if any of them took it. So 5 of my students took it, and I can also see what their score was. Also, all of these students should have taken English, so I can go to reading, and I can see which students of mine haven't taken their English test. So you can do this with all of your classes. So if I drop down to this class, once again, all of these students should have taken it, with the exception of this one. So he's in 11th grade, so I can see how many of my students are completed. It also gives me their score, and also it gives me achievement data, so it shows me their percentiles, their median, and all that. So it's a lot of really great information.